Oh, welcome back everyone. Right, today we're going to make we're going to roll some pork and braise it for tonkatsu ramen. I'm just going to, this is the first stage, one of many, so we'll just try and speed it up a bit. So into here I've got some garlic. I'm just going to crush these up. I'm not even going to peel it. Just smash them up a bit. Throw straight in the kettle here. Here I've got an onion as well, half an onion. Don't even peel it. Just chop that up a little bit as well. This is basically, we're going to braise the pork in here, and then we're going to use the soup as the start of the tonkatsu ramen broth. You can see I'm putting in some carrot as well, not even peeling it. Just going to throw that straight in. Alright, we'll save that for something else. There's a side. So in here I've got some pork belly, which we just went and bought from the local butcher. Skin on. So now we're going to roll it and tie it. Unfortunately they cut it. I would have preferred it the whole belly, but they've gone and cut it down the middle. Makes it harder to tie when it's cut like this, but that's fine. So first thing we'll do is give it a season. So put in some salt, some pepper, and then we're gonna roll it. We're actually gonna remove some of this skin because there's too much skin on here. So I'm just going to tuck that under and just remove the top layer, which is just the skin, the hide. So we're just going to remove that. You just pull it up towards you and let the knife. Means when we roll it, the skin is not going to be inside the belly because we want to crispen that up later. See what I mean? So there's no skin inside here. Alright, so we're just going to roll it like that. So there's one. We'll just put that aside and do the other one. You'll notice when I remove the skin, I'm taking it off the thinner part. So there's a thick part of the belly, then there's a thinner part. I'm removing it from this side. When you're cutting pork skin, it will blunt your knife, so you need a really sharp knife. You can stop now. Welcome back everyone, stage 2. We've got some butcher's twine here. You can get it from the supermarket. Just going to cut off a long enough piece to cut this pork. You won't need a too long a piece because my pork's not that wide. Alright, so you get your pork, lay it on here like so. Come under. Just tie a little knot. Now when you tie meat, the key is not to tie it too tight. As the meat cooks, it expands. So if you roll the meat too tight, all you're going to do is, when the meat expands, it's just going to break your string. So all you do is come under again. Come under there, it's just like sewing. Alright? Pull it tight, across. Yep, one more time. Probably 3 times will be enough. Just hold the meat nicely together for us. One more knot in there. Yeah. Lovely. Okay, there's one piece. Just going to place that nicely in the kettle. And we'll do the other one. Alright, so I'll show you one more time. Come under with your twine. Tie a little knot. Not too tight. And then just come under again. Too tight. Trim it up a bit. Right, we'll place those in there. Place them like that. Alright, here we go. So now we're just gonna hit it with a bit of soy sauce. That'll be our, just flavour the meat slightly as it's cooking. And then we're gonna put some water. Like that. Perfect. Right. Now we're going to put on our lid. So this is a pressure cooker. So this will halve the time. And we're just going to put that on the heat. So you can just leave that other bit out when you put it in the pan. Let's cut some thin slices. Oh, that looks good. Have a glove. Use the glove. Yep. How many?
4, 5.
Oh, yeah, looks good. Okay. Okay.